Right, so I'm continuing with the AMPS installation, and just like I did with XAMPP, I'm gonna do the same with AMPS. Alright, select the file, then right click, and I'll select run as administrator. Yes, I'll click yes again for this. Alright, welcome to the AMPS setup wizard. This will install AMPS 319 on your computer. It's recommended that you close all other applications before continuing. Click next to continue or cancel to exit setup. Well, don't really have any software that's running except my screen recorder, so I'm just going to click next. I accept the agreement, and I'll click I selected I accept my agreement option, and then I click next. When you are ready, please read the important information before continuing. When you are ready to continue with setup, click next. AMPS is a stack of this is just an introduction of the AMPS software. I'm telling you, it has access to, you can install over 200 apps such as this. And if you need more information about it, you can click about, and it says AMPS is a stack of Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl, and Python. AMPS is a tool that makes it easy for anyone to create a website using a template or an existing free open source application, customize it, and then publish it on the internet via a wide choice of hosting service providers. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with the installation. I'll click next, and like I said earlier, I already have a version of AMPS running. So what I want to do is I'm going to name the folder for installing this particular AMPS package in AMPS 2. Yes, AMPS 2. I want to see if it will. I believe it should install it, because that's ordinarily it tells that just tells AMPS AMPS 2 is a different folder to AMPS, so there shouldn't be any problem considering the name of the folders. So name, just checking back here, it says I need at least 827 megabytes of free disk space, so I have way more than that, so I'm going to click next. It says no, I'm sorry, back. It says to continue. That's the folder it's going to install it into, and then it says where should setup place the program's shortcuts. I'm going to name it to AMPS 2, different folder. Click. I don't want it to place the program's shortcuts in the same one as my existing installation, so I'm going to put it in a different give it a different name and put it in a separate folder, and then click next. Yes, all the desktop icon, quick launch icon, start menu icon are checked by default, so and next again. Well, everything checks out. It says destination folder, it says AMPS 2. Start menu folder, it says AMPS 2. And the additional icons under the additional task, they are checked. That's for creating desktop icon, quick launch icon, and the start menu icon. So I'll click install, and it's extracting the files for installation. That's going on. I believe this installation is going to be faster than XAMPP, but I'm still going to pause this video, this recording rather, and let the installation take its course.